Tonight, we wrap up our look at the election candidates in Thunder Bay Superior North. Longtime Marathon Mayor Rick Dumas is trying to make the jump to provincial politics after being chosen as the Progressive Conservative nominee in the riding. Jonathan Wilson brings us this candidate profile.
Rick Dumas was first elected mayor of Marathon in 2006 after serving several terms as a town councillor. He's now been in the mayor's chair for nearly 2 decades. He's also the president of the Thunder Bay District Municipal League and served many years on the board of NOMA, the Northwestern Ontario Municipal Association. We asked Dumas why he decided to try his hand at provincial politics.
I was looking at my own career and I thought, well, I was looking at retirement and I was talking to a few people about the provincial and federal levels of governance, and I always thought I could do some more within the riding. And I've always been a true proponent of that. As you know, with my 20 years plus on NOMA, 20 years plus on Thunder Bay District Municipal League, I've already been doing the regional stuff, working with that, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go forward and go to the provincial level.
When asked what his main priority would be if he's elected as an MPP at Queen's Park, Dumas mentioned several areas he wants to improve, but his main focus will be the safety of drivers on the highways running through the vast riding.
I drive the highway to and from Thunder Bay probably, I can't even count, probably 10,000 times over the last 30, 40 years. So I'm fully aware of that. In the last 5 or 6 years, the highway's been the best it's ever been in all those 30 or 40 years. So that was my number one thing: highway safety, healthcare, and now, of course, with the onset of drugs and mental health and homelessness is a big thing for all of our communities. We're all facing those dilemmas, so that's something I think I can bring to the table, bring the voice of the Northwest, and specifically Thunder Bay Superior North riding.
Dumas says besides living in the eastern part of the riding, the one thing that really sets him apart from his opponents in Thunder Bay Superior North is the length of his tenure in politics. He also points to his time on the municipal associations, which lobby the province to meet the needs of the region.
So experience, more than anything, is the experience is about my time on my municipal council of 31 years, 19 as a mayor. I look at my roles on NOMA and the Thunder Bay District Municipal League. The reality is, with all those roles, going to government over all those years and arguing about the specific things about the highway safety, the health care. So I look at that and I say, that's my experience. My experience at the table is the longevity of my role as a member of council and my member of NOMA and Thunder Bay District Municipal League.
Jonathan Wilson, TBT News.